Hi guys, today I want to show you how to fix file access denied on Windows. So first, click right mouse. Click on the file, the folder you have problem with. Just click on Properties. Go for the Security. Now just click on Advanced here. Click on Modify here, type in your username. For me, my username is this. Just if you wonder where you find your username, you can find it here. Go to PC, you found it here. PC, and in the users folder, you find the username just right here. Now let's get back to the properties. Now just click on, type in your username and click on OK. Now just click on Replace Property with Objects. Now that's it. Click on OK and click on OK and just restart your PC. And the problem should be solved. If you find this hack useful, don't forget to like and subscribe.